So by definition, sin is unnatural. And as Christians, we have to fundamentally agree with God on this point so that we're not walking contradictions, because sin corrupted our human nature, what God intended us to be. That's why Jesus came to save or heal us, because we miss the mark of his image and likeness. So many of us fundamentally believe the us that was molded by the world apart from the life of God, and the natural way that that person acts is who we really are. And we believe the us who Jesus has joined himself to and reconciled us to God, making us partakers of the divine nature, having escaped the corruption of the world that is in the world through us. We think that that's just a fairy tale. That's just made up and has no real existence. And where this comes into play is, let's say you do sin. You can acknowledge that that action is not right because you have been made right as you ought to be. And now love, peace, and joy was the natural way you were supposed to act, not that was controlled by jealousy and rage or the lack of not having the love of God in your life.